Hello, I'm Peter Greenslade, the Corporate Head of Operational Support and Improvement, and I have the responsibility for the strategic aim, our environment. This aim looks to improve our working practices and activities with consideration to our short and long-term environmental impact. We are committed to reducing our impact on the environment and improving our environmental performance. We want to be an environmentally sensitive and sustainable fire and rescue service by making sure that we think about the environment in every decision we make. During 2021-2022, we will focus on the following areas: reducing the service's carbon emissions and reducing the amount of water used throughout Mid and West Wales Fire and Rescue Service, and explore opportunities for water conservation. We hope that by choosing these two improvement and wellbeing objectives, it will help us to reduce our carbon footprint and help us to become a more sustainable fire and rescue service. We would like to hear your valued feedback on our draft strategic aims and improvement and wellbeing objectives. And for further information, please visit our website www.mawwfire.gov.uk. Thank you.